So let's start our experiment. So this is the login page. So after login, you just find the experiment. So this is our experiment, the effect of drugs on frog heart. Now this is click in the experiment. So what we are going to see, first we are going to see the instruction. So this is the instruction. So already about the materials and all the things, so we have discussed, and these are the drugs effect of, these are the drugs we are going to find, clear, effect of these drugs. Now during this, what we are going to see, we are mainly going to see about the heart rate. Now heart rate, it will display you in the screen. You can find it what is the basal heart rate, and after the drug administration what is the heart rate. So there is a no problem with that. Next is like tone, like tone, whether it is the normal, increased and decreased, that you have to identify. Now how you are going to identify the tone? So in the systolic and diastolic, in the systolic and diastolic contraction, so shift in the midpoint, if you consider this midpoint, so shift into the midpoint of diastolic and systolic contraction indicates the change into the tone. So if the midpoint is changing, it will indicate that the tone is changing. And is the force of contraction, clear, force of contraction, or it is also, it is amplitude, clear, amplitude. So force of contraction, it is increased or decreased, so that also we can find it through this experiment, clear. Through this experiment we are going to find it. So as you find that this is our normal baseline, it is there, and from here we can find the drug. So drug already it will automatically come, so no need to check, and you just give the inject the drug. Now here you can find that basal heart rate, basal heart rate means normal, and you can just see that contraction, clear, contraction. If the contraction is more, clear, contraction is more, then with the epinephrine, so that say, so the stop you can identify that. So you can say that basal heart rate is 65, after epinephrine injection heart rate is increased. So if we are giving the washout, it will go, and tone also you can find it, but contraction it is increasing, so washout. So you can say that washout means again a new drug it will come. So next you go check the epinephrine. See, can you find tone? There is a change into the tone, contraction, little increase into the contraction in case of the epinephrine. If you are changing the drug, now it is came back into the normal. Now change the drug, isoprenaline. Okay, just go for the washout, that means you have washed out the drug. Next is norepinephrine, so inject the drug, you can find it. Again tone, it is a little bit changing, but contraction also little bit increase compared to the normal, but heart rate it is reduced, clear. After giving that norepinephrine, heart rate it is reduced, clear. So this is the, so one by one you should check the activity of all the drug, like calcium chloride. So here it is the very interesting one, what you can find. Okay, what you can find, because I have just, I'll show it you again, show it you again, just observe. See, inject that, after inject the drug, heart is, why it is like that, because there is a contraction, clear, contraction. So you can say that after contraction heart is not relaxed, that's why it is goes in the above side, clear. You can observe this side is the above, so contraction, after contraction heart is not relaxed, so there is a stop into the contraction, that's why heart rate it is also it is reduced. Now you find that in case of the potassium chloride, just check it, the potassium chloride, inject the drug. What will happen now? Heart is relaxed, that's why it is coming the downshift. Clear? Heart is relaxed, now it is not going to constrict, and as it is not going to constrict, heart rate again it will be 1, but there is a stop of the contraction because relaxation, then no contraction it can be there. So this is the observation. Next washout, you try the propranolol. So in the propranolol, contraction is reduced. Clear? Contraction is reduced, and heart rate also you can find that it is reduced. Again wash out, try the acetylcholine, inject drug. Now what happened here? Again the contraction and all the things, contraction is reduced, heart rate is reduced. Clear? But tone, there is no change into the tone. So like that we have seen the effect of the all the drugs. So what you have to do, you have to record the response of the all the drug, and that you have to tabulate it in the observation table. Okay. So next we'll see that observation.